More love, more life, more determination to get some things right. Love ain't hard, but we acting like somebody.
What should we do, Aiden?
Check out this cabin.
Okay, look at this abandoned cabin. Let's go.
Disgusting.
I think it's a cabin. It's seafood right.
Oops, okay, push it off.
Push this one.
We first in line, so let your chalice blaze, let the smoke fly. As the truth becomes clear, you start to realize. You feel it in your heart, you feel it in your mind. You start to come alive, dilly dilly, let's ride. This ain't the time for weak minds and soft spines. We crossing battle lines, ducking, dodging landmines. If you looking for love, yo, that's a tough find. In the land where the good and bad intertwine. Ask me how I know, ayo, I heard it through the grapevine. Hold up, wait a minute, like a stop sign. You moving too fast, choose for the last time. Cause dudes crash, going hard for that goal line. Going hard for that goal line.
So today we are in Cabo Rojo in the Joyuda area, and we are going to go out to Isla Ratones in our kayak. We have gone to Isla Ratones once before, pre-Maria, when they had a lot of these docks available to launch out on a boat, and there was a dock out there also. But since there's no more docks after the hurricane destroyed a lot of it, we're just going to take our little kayak and do it on our own. This is nice under here, huh? Hey, say something.
Well, welcome to my day. We're going to Ratones Beach, which I would usually call it Pineapple Beach, but the rats got us. So now we call it Ratones Beach.
Vámonos.
Vámonos.
All right, so look, we are approaching the Isla de Ratones here in Cabo Rojo. Aiden, what do you think?
Ooh.
It's pretty cool. We're going there. I think it's about an acre of land, so it should be pretty easy to explore all of it in just a few minutes, so let's go. All right, so we made it to shore. We are on Isla Ratones with our kayak. Aiden's already enjoying himself. There's a few other people that are here who've either come on jet skis or small little boats, and I think I saw some kayaks earlier. So this is definitely kind of, you know, if you have your own water vehicle, you can get over here. It's really close. Our friend may even try to swim it. We'll see. Otherwise, we'll pick him up with the kayak. But let's go explore the island a little bit. Our friend is out there swimming over here. Britain's gonna go help him. made it without even any help. What should we do, Aiden?
Check out this cabin.
Okay, look at this abandoned cabin. Let's go.
Not quite strong enough door.
Wow. Oh, workout room.
Yes.
All right, so here we are exploring some of these abandoned buildings, cabins, and gazebos that were left. And look at the beautiful water here. So while this island is kind of left, mostly to chance, it's actually in fairly good shape. The gazebos are still intact, and even the fire pits are in too bad a shape. Long ago, we grilled pinchos and things out here, but you probably still could if you brought a grill. But I'm not sure if it was a water tank or what do you think? That looks cool. Woo! Lost Island. So something that's kind of interesting about this island is it was also at one point in time owned by MTV. So I think it was in the 90s or something they attempted to buy this, and they owned it for a short amount of time before some protests led to it being back to the Department of Natural Resources here in Puerto Rico. But it's kind of an interesting little factoid that this was kind of like a spring break fun island, or that was the idea. Now it's just a deserted island. Beautiful though. What do you think this is?
Hey, Mama,
Dada,
what's
what do you think this is?
And what's
It's obviously the watchtower. Make sure nobody comes or goes. I have no idea.
Let's
Lifeguard
go explore.
station?
Check it out, Aiden.
That could be for a lifeguard.
Disgusting.
Oh, it's a bathroom. That was not what we expected at all. But the most beautiful view of a bathroom. I'm not sure what's going on over here.
I didn't know they did it with their cell phone.
Yeah. A little crab. See if you can get it, bub. Right under that rock. Oh, he just went under. Hey!
Hey everybody, welcome here on the beach.
Baby. No, just a little bit. There you go. Got it.
Guess I can let him throw the last one.
Oh, another one. Oh, here they come. Whoa. Throw it hard
He has a cat in a seafood restaurant.
Alright, so we just had a little snack at the El Gato Negro restaurant.